Baby, stand up. Oh, big girl. Oh, stand up. Oh, there she is. There she is. Whoa. What happened? What happened? Baby, stand up. You have that. Oh, Aaron, baby, stand up. Good job. Woo! Oh! Oh! A couple false starts there.
Baby can walk?
Baby can walk? Come get your chair. Oh, there. Woo! Hi! Oh! Woo! It's just the last couple of days she started to decide to get places by walking rather than crawling. And Ethan is very excited because robots are on, right? Yeah, robot. That's this incredibly weird Animusic thing. Oh, did Daddy bounce it off your head? Do you have anything to add, honey?
Nope.
Hi. What a nice anniversary present, Aaron. Yeah, for Mommy's and Daddy's 5th wedding anniversary on Friday. Decided to just walk all of a sudden. Baby, stand up. Baby, oh, there's your rocking chair. Now this is kind of tenuous. Yeah, I know. I don't like to watch this, but oh well. Oh God. Oh, you're crazy. You are crazy. Woo!
Rocka, rocka.
And there we go. Oh, see, this is why I don't like to watch it. And then Ethan comes and does this and then kind of dumps her out of it. Ethan, be nice. Oh, be careful. Oh my God. She's already fallen out of that rocking chair like, I don't know, 400 times or so.